Hey guys, this is Mr. Grice for Algebra 2, Chapter 2.2 notes for Ms. Carranza and Mr. Grice's Algebra 2 class. Today our learning target is to apply properties of zero and negative exponents. So let's start with the zero exponent property. If your exponent 0, your base turns into 1. Okay? So let's take a look at it. Example number 1. Our exponent is 0, so that means 5 to the 0 equals 1. Okay? Now, example number 2. Our exponent is 0, the base, okay? Just the base. So we still have negative 3, and then the 2 turns into a 1. And then after that, you follow order of operations, and you get negative 3. All right, example number 3. Just the base turns into 1. Okay, that negative sign is still there. So that changes to a negative 1. All right, and example number 4. If you distribute the 0 to everything, you get negative 12 to the 0. Oh, that should be, and m to the 0, because 3 times 0 is 0. What you're left with negative 1 and 1, and 1 times 1 gives you 1, and the negative sign stays out there. All right, let's look at our next property, the negative exponent property. And this is saying you need to remember that all final answers must have positive exponents only. So if the exponent's negative, drop it like it's hot. If it's already on the bottom, bring it to the top. Okay? So if you take a look at the first one, x to the negative 9, exponent's negative, you drop it down, and then a 1 goes on top. If it's already on the bottom, you bring it up to the top. Okay? And if your exponent's outside like this, you have to distribute your exponent to everything. And now exponent's negative, drop it like it's hot. If it's already on the bottom, you bring it up to the top. Let's go through some examples. Example number 5. Exponent's negative, we're going to drop it down like it's hot. Okay? So 2 to the third is on the bottom, and a 1 goes on top, and that simplifies to 1 over 8. Okay? Example number 6. If it's on the bottom, you bring it up to the top, which equals 1 times 2 to the third, and that just equals 8. All right, example number 7. Exponent's negative. You're going to bring it up. So you're left with 4 times 2 squared, which is 4 times 4. Final answer is 16. Now, inside the parentheses, let's see, can you reduce anything? Which we can't. So we're going to distribute that exponent, which is 2 to the negative 4 over 3 to the negative 4. Exponent's negative, drop it like it's hot. If it's already on the bottom, bring it up to the top. Three to the fourth is 81, and 2 to the fourth is 16. All right. First thing we're going to do is distribute. And that gives us negative 7 to the third. It's going to be negative, so we're going to bring it down to the bottom. So negative 7 to the third power over 1. I know 7 times 7 is 49, so 49 times 7 is 3. Carry the 6. 7 times 3 is 28. Plus 4 is 343. And since we have 3 of those, it's going to stay negative. All right, example number 10. X to the third, y to the negative fifth. Our exponent's negative. We're going to drop it down like it's hot. So x to the third, y to the fifth. We cannot simplify that anymore, so that's our final answer. All right, why don't you guys try examples 11 and 12 right now? Go ahead and pause the video, and the answers will be up in just a second. Okay, and there are the answers. For example 11, we had to distribute the negative 6 to everything. Okay, and then you get m to the negative 18th, n to the negative 6th. Exponent's negative, drop it like it's hot. If it's already on the bottom, bring it up to the top. In example number 12, we moved the exponents first. The a squared went down and the b to the first went up. I rewrote everything. 3 over 9 reduces to 1 over 3, and we don't have to write the 1 there. I combine the b's, and then I combine the a's. Oh, and I forgot to circle my answer. All right. Let's go through example number 13 together. All right. Exponent's negative, drop it like it's hot. It's negative. I'm going to drop it like it's hot, which gives us 1 over 9 squared plus 1 over 3 cubed plus negative 7 to the 0 power. If your exponent's 0, your base turns into 1. This goes to 1 over 81 plus 1 over 27 plus 1. Now we need to have some common denominators. So the LCD of 27 is 27, 54, 81. Look at that. So we don't even have to change our first fraction. I'm going to multiply that by 3. So multiply the top by 3. So we have 1 over 81 plus 3 over 81 plus we need that to be a fraction too, and that's just 81 over 81. 1 plus 3 is 4. 81 plus 4 is 85. So we get 85 over 81. All right, let's see if you guys can try example number 14. Please pause the video, and the answers will be up in just a minute. Okay, and there's our final answer. Now the negative x, or x to the negative 1, and y to the negative 2, both of those were negative on the bottom, so we brought them up to the top. W to the 0 is 1, so 15 times 1 is just 15. 15 over negative 27, if you divide both of those by 3, you get negative 5 over 9. X to the 5th plus x to the 1st is x6, and y cubed plus y squared gives us y to the 5th. And that is our final answer. So that's it for Algebra 2, Chapter 2.2 notes on the zero exponent rule and negative exponent rules. If you have any questions, please come see Ms. Carranza or myself. We would love to help you out. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.